making spot color adjustments in Navigator Northstar. Making spot color adjustments in Northstar is simple and easy to do. Let's choose a workflow over here on the left, High Quality Printing, and click the wrench button or edit button, taking us back to configuration. On the left hand side, we can see a list of our workflow items, and we are going to choose the spot color adjustment and add it to our high quality printing workflow. Linking the workflow items together. Now I'm going to pause the workflow. Pausing the workflow assures us that we will not continue to print until our final color adjustments have been made. Let's click the wrench or edit button, taking us back to the job queue. Let's add a file to our job by dragging and dropping the file into the workflow window. After the job has completed processing, select the job in the job queue and then choose the color adjustment button at the top of the client. Clicking on the button activates the adjust color window. There are a couple different ways where we can adjust color here in the window. We can choose to use sliders or add in the percentages manually. Let's choose to enter the percentages in manually for Pantone Green. Once we've finished making the adjustments necessary for our Pantone Green, we're going to want to see the effects of our changes. Click on the swatch sheet button. This allows us to see the original here on the left next to the adjusted there on the right, and it always will appear in the middle of the swatch sheet each time we make an adjustment. In the upper right hand corner, we can choose which CMYK color direction we want the color to move, vertically or horizontally across the swatch sheet. Our color adjustment horizontally across the axis is yellow. Clicking on the swatch, we can see that yellow is being added. And as we go across the swatch sheet over here to the left and we look at yellow, it's being subtracted or reduced. If we want to see more variations between the color, we can control that here by clicking vertically or horizontally the percentage that we want to have in between each color. At Print Layout is where you select your project type. Select your project type, then click on the Print Swatch Sheet button. The Pantone Green swatch sheet is now being sent to the printer. Compare it against the original and make additional adjustments if necessary. As stated earlier, each time we make a change to our Pantone, it will appear here in the center of the swatch sheet. Click the Apply button and then OK, and the changes have been saved to the job. The adjustment is now applied to our job. Since our job is paused, we have to choose the job in the job queue and then click the green arrow to continue to the next step, which is final output. This concludes making spot color adjustments in Northstar. For more information, please contact support. Thank you.